SingyPop. Let's sing and dance, come join the fun. It's time to play with SingyPop kids.
All aboard the alphabet train! Let's ride through letters A to Z.
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hat. I for ice cream, J for jelly, K for kite, L for lion. M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl, P for pig. Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for sun, T for turtle. U for umbrella, V for violin, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra, ABC train, fun for you and me. Letter review letters A to F.
G to L, sing along with me.
M to R, ABC train, fun.
S to X, sing and remember.
Y and Z. Now you've learned all letters. A to Z, letters all around train. Sing with us. ABC train, fun for every A. Ride along and sing. Thanks for joining the Alphabet Train Song. Like, share, and subscribe to SingyPop Kids. Thanks for watching SingyPop Kids. See you next time!